Rain-Macrotech wood plastic composite coming limited. Our company's main products are decking, wall cladding, and fence. Today we will introduce a new two-color co-extrude flower. The model size is 138/23. It is a round hole design. The width is 138 millimeters. The thickness is 23 millimeters. The length is 2.2 meters. You can customize. One side is coffee, the other side is anti-gray. You can customize your favorite colors. Flower surface has a co-extrude layer to increase the life of the flower. It lasts 20 years. The surface is waterproof